Rhymes.
Hey kids! We'll start from the letter A. A. A is for apple. And A is for ant. The next one, B. B. B is for bat. And B is for banana. Then C. C. C is for cake. And C is for car. Then D. D. D is for dog. And D is for doll. Then E. E. E is for egg. And E is for eye. Then F. F. F is for fish. And F is for friend. Then G. G. G is for girl. Girl. And G is for giraffe. Giraffe. Then H. H. H is for hen. Hen. And H is for hat. Hat. Then comes I. I. I is for ink pot. Ink pot. And I is for ice cream. Ice cream. Then comes J. J. J is for jeep. Jeep. And J is for joker. Joker. After that, K. K. K is for kite. Kite. And K is for key. Key. Then L. L. L is for lock. Lock. And L is for lemon. Lemon. After that, M. M. M is for monkey. Monkey. And M is for mask. Mask. Then N. N. N is for net. Net. And N is for nose. Nose. Then O. O. O is for octopus. Octopus. And O is for orange. Orange. Then P. P. P is for pencil. Pencil. And P is for penguin. Penguin. Then Q. Q. Q is for quarter. Quarter. And Q is for queen. Queen. Then R. R. R is for rose. Rose. And R is for rainbow. Rainbow. Then S. S. S is for ship. Ship. And S is for scissors. Scissors. Then T. T. T is for tiger, tiger. And T is for tomato, tomato. Then U. U is for umbrella, umbrella. And U is for utensils, utensils. Then V. V is for van, van. And V is for vegetables, vegetables. Then W. W. W is for watermelon, watermelon. And W is for watch, watch. Then X. X. X is for X-ray, X-ray. And X is for xylophone, xylophone. Then Y. Y. Y is for yolk, yolk. And Y is for yarn, yarn. Then Z. Z. Z is for zebra, zebra. And Z is for zip, zip.